What if there was a way to support your body's natural healing powers, without needles, medications, or surgery? And because they're non-invasive, they're safe and easy to use anywhere, anytime. Welcome to the world of stem cell phototherapy patches. In just a few minutes, we'll explain what they are, how they work, and why they could redefine health and wellness. Stem cell phototherapy patches are small, wearable devices designed to stimulate your body's stem cells using your body's light. But here's the fascinating part. They don't contain any drugs or chemicals. These patches reflect specific wavelengths of your own body light back into the skin. This light triggers a natural response in your body, activating and mobilizing your own stem cells to repair and regenerate tissue. Why is this important? Stem cells are your body's repair system. They can transform into various cell types, like muscle, nerve, or bone cells, to replace damaged tissue. People using these patches report benefits like faster healing from injuries, reduced joint pain, better sleep, and improved mental clarity. This technology is being used to address pain, improve energy levels, enhance recovery, and even support healthy aging. The science behind stem cell phototherapy is part of a growing field called regenerative medicine. Researchers are exploring how light-based therapies can harness the body's innate ability to heal, without the need for costly and invasive treatments. This innovation could soon play a major role in addressing chronic diseases, enhancing athletic performance, and even slowing the effects of aging. The future of health is here. Imagine a world where healing is as simple as applying a patch. With continued advancements in stem cell phototherapy, we're one step closer to unlocking the full potential of our body's natural repair system. Thanks for exploring the exciting possibilities of stem cell phototherapy patches. If you're as inspired by this breakthrough as we are, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. By activating these cells, phototherapy patches support healing, reduce inflammation, and promote overall wellness. Together, let's light the way to better health.